Just a quick video here on the interactive live rendering setting. If this is on, the user interface will automatically adjust the image's layout as you are moving or changing the size for your negative space box or for the margins. So you can see those images are just automatically fitting around that. And as well for your margins, if you're changing that, you can see that it is automatically adjusting for that. If this is off, then what happens is the interface does not automatically adjust when you're moving the margins or your negative space box, but as soon as you let go of the mouse, it will then auto-calculate and make the adjustments. And the reason why you would want to turn this off is if your particular system wasn't fast enough to be able to keep up with the live screen changes, and if it became laggy, you could turn that off, and so there would be no lag when you're moving this around, and it would just adjust after you let go. Now by default this is on, and it will automatically turn off if you use negative space with more than 150 images. That's because the negative space, it requires a lot more computations. It has to do a lot more scenarios it checks for. So let me demonstrate here. So if we have 228 images, as in this example, even if this is on, it will automatically be disabled for more than 150. But it will still, the adjustments still work the same. It just happens after you let go of the mouse. Now, if this is off, then that interactive live setting is available all the way up to 1,000 images, which is the maximum number of images that GridMaker can handle. And that's because the calculations are a lot more simple if there's no negative space to work around. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope that helps.